Oh, we got a special one today, boys and girls. Deadpool. Smoking Alien. 16-shotter. Some nice artwork going on. Look at the top. Alright. What? I'm not seeing a performance. Anyways, it's Smoking Alien. You see Deadpool, it's a 16-shot, 200-grammer. Got this from Intergalactic Fireworks. So I guess we're just going to take a peek underneath and find out what this does on our own. Some nice sized tubes. Well, let's check it out. The Deadpool. Thumbs up, thumbs down. It's your boy Rob. We'll see you in a few seconds. Bro, that's a 200 gram?